Welcome back, everybody. So in this video, it's going to be the last paint day. I'm going to go ahead and throw the paint, clear coat on those final parts that I need painted, the tour pack in that one bag. Get that done. We're going to install the spotlights, front turn signal lights, heel toe shifter, and whatever else that I can actually get to today. Well, I got bad news. I finished painting those items that I was gonna paint. The top pack, the bag. The bag came out all right. The top pack, I ended up with problems with the top pack. I went too heavy on the paint and it started to just bubble up. The top, bunch of fish eyes on the top. I was able to do one bag and that came out fine. The luggage box in the top, not good. So I gotta redo all that. And I have to redo one of the bag lids because when I was hand sanding that to get ready for buffing, I went through the clear coat and into the paint. So I'm gonna just redo the whole thing. I'm not gonna try to touch it up. So what can I say? Painting is not easy. I think what happened with the fish eyes was when I installed that clutch cable, I sprayed a little bit of silicone on the clutch cable and the pin at the lever. And there's a good possibility that stuff got into the air and got on the parts. And that's probably what caused the fish eyes on the lid. But anyway, it is what it is. On those 3 items, we're gonna start from scratch, hand sand everything back down, and spray it again. As far as the bike goes, the heel toe shifter, those are in place. They look all right, I think. Spotlight's in place, turn signals are in place, everything is working like it should, and I was able to get this bag together. Not too bad. These handles, they're aftermarket handles. I think they're made in China. It's not a bad look. The only thing I wish they had done was gone over the hinge. You know, make this a little longer to cover the hinge like the originals. But for the price, I'll accept that. Doesn't look bad. Again, like the dash, if you guys are following me, I took this, sanded it down, and I gave it 3 coats of clear. So it turns, it turns out to be gloss. So it matches everything. But anyway, that bag's ready to go on. When it's time, we'll be able to get that on. So what can I say? I'm a little depressed right now because the paint didn't turn out the way I wanted it to, and it was supposed to be the last time I was gonna paint. So now I have to order more paint because I don't have enough to redo these parts. So it is what it is. What am I gonna do? I'm not happy with the way they turned out, so I definitely gotta redo them. I'm really itching to get this bike done and test out the new suspension, the progressive monotubes with the rear shocks, and just get back on it. All right, you all. Next video, top right-hand corner, link will be there if it's posted. If not, you all take care, ride safe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Be blessed.